the parts of body. So parts of body, almost all parts of body, they are a bit different. So we will have to see, and definitely to some extent we will have to remember also the parts of body. So starting from hand, ruka. Ruka is hand, and plural of ruka is ruki. Ruki is both hands. So ruka, hand, ruka, hand. Spina, back. The word has been derived from English spine. So spina is back. Zivot, it is belly. Zivot, belly. Mozg, it is brain. In the end it is G, mozg, not, it is mozg. Mozg is brain. Then grud is chest. Then pad bordok is chin. Then ukha ear, and its plural is ukhi. Ukhi is ears. So ukha, ear. Then lokat is elbow. Elbow is lokat. Then glass is eye, and its plural becomes glaza. Eyes. So glass is eye. Then brow, it has become from eyebrow, of course. Brow is eyebrow. Then pallets is fingers. Pallet. Adin, one finger is pallets. Then nogot is nail of the finger, nail. It is nogot. Then noga is foot. Then lobe is this, lobe is forehead. It is lobe is forehead. And then or uma, like Hindi name also is Hindi girl's name, Uma, it is mind. Mind. And then zeludok is stomach. Once again, because these all are almost new words, so friends, please, you will have to remember these words, and once when you go through all these words, it is not that much difficult, but to some extent we'll have to remember these words, and just take care that different parts of the body we must know, because when if something happens, we have to go to a doctor, at least we should be able to tell where it pains. So parts of body is also must. So it is ruka, hand. Spina, word derived from spine. Spina, it is back. So backbone is spina. This. Zivot is belly. Belly. Then mose, it is brain. Brain. Then grud is chest. Then padborodok is chin. Padborodok is chin. Ukha is ear. Ear, and its plural will be ukhi. Ukhi will be ears. Then lokat is elbow. It is lokat is elbow. Then glass is eye, and its plural will be glaza. Eyes. Glass, eye, glaza, eyes. Then brow is eyebrow. Eyebrow. Then pallets is finger. Finger is called pallets. And this nogat is nail of the finger. Nogat. Then noga is foot, and its plural will be nogi. Nogi is feet. So noga, foot. Lobe is, it is written as lobe, but spoken lobe. It is forehead. Lobe, forehead. Then or uma. It can be spoken as or uma. It is mind. Or uma is mind. Then zeludok is stomach. Then passing on to next part. Then desna is gum. Desna. Volasi hair. Ruka again hand. Ruka hand. Then glava. Glava is head. Glava. Even to head of a department they are called glava. Chief also word is used as glava. Chief representative, glava presvasva, like this. So glava, head of an organization, is also called glava, and chief also used as glava, but otherwise glava means head. Then pyatka. Pyatka is heel. Pyatka is heel. There is no link with pyat 5, but it is a simple word pyatka. Pyatka is heel. Then kalino. Kalina is knee. Kalina, knee. Then noga. Noga, again foot or leg. Noga, foot or leg. So it is gubi. Gubi is lips. Lips are called gubi, and teeth are called zubi. So you can just remember gubi, zubi. Gubi, lips, and zubi, teeth. And roth. Roth is mouth. Your mouth is called roth. Then shea. Shea is neck. Neck is shea. Then nose. It is just like nose, but it is spoken as nose. Nose. Spelling is also nose. Spoken also as nose. Nose. So nose is nose. Then ribro. Ribro, ribs. Ribs are called rib. Rib is ribro. Ribro, rib. Zubi, as I told you, teeth. Zubi is teeth. Then bedro. Bedro is thigh. Bedro, thigh. And then garlo. Garlo is throat. Throat. Throat is garlo. And iazik. Iazik is your tongue. Tongue. Iazik. To language also they call iazik, but here is iazik is used as tongue. So starting once again from the very beginning and finishing up to the end, ruka, hand or arm is also called ruka, arm. Spina, back. Zivot, zivot is belly. Mozg, mozg is brain. Grud, chest. Podborodok, podborodok is chin, podborodok. Uka, uka is ear. Lokot, lokot is elbow. Glass, eye, plural of glass is glaza. Glaza are eyes. Brove, eyebrow. Palets, palets is finger. And then nogat, nogat is nail. Then noga, noga is foot. Lobe, lobe is forehead. Uma or it is mind. It is zelodok, zelodok is stomach. Desna, desna is gum. Volasi, volasi hair. Ruka, again hand or arm. Glava, head. Pyatka, pyatka is heel. Kalena, kalena is knee. Kalena. It is also called kaleno, koleno or kalena. It is knee. Noga, leg or foot. Gubi, lips. Roth, roth is mouth. Shea, neck. Nose, nose. Rebro, rebro is rib. Zubi, teeth. Bedro, thigh. Garlo, throat. And iazik is tongue. So friends, thank you very much. Thanks. So it is not that much difficult, but we'll have to see that how we cover it